First, all this week, if you've been watching along, you know Studio 5 is helping you kick off the summer season. Today, we're looking for those wet and wild investment toys that draw the kids outside. Now, don't get us wrong, there's no beating the classic kiddie wading pool or a slip and slide, but whether it's turning your backyard into a splash pad or something to take to the lake, we have some terrific new ideas for summer 2017. Producer Stephanie Bryson is joining me. For us, this signifies summer, so I'm super excited.
I am too. This is so exciting. It's always fun to see what's out there.
And we've done this in years past, so remind viewers, I know a lot of people are watching along, they wait for your summer recommendations. What are you looking for exactly?
Okay, we're always looking for something that's new this year. So a lot of times we're ahead of the product curve, which is fun.
Yes.
And we want something that will appeal to a wide age range. And this time we're looking for water toys that are usable at the pool and in the backyard. So kind of whatever application.
Let me add a little more credit to this girl's resume. You are a fun mom. You're a fun mom, and you're a mom that is willing and wants to invest in a fun water toy for the summer season. These fit that bill.
They absolutely do. And the price points are going to vary here from, a few dollars, under 10, to over 150.
So pick your poison.
So pick your poison. Sometimes we want just one toy that is going to carry us through the summer and be a lot of
Is there
fun.
a trend you're seeing as you're shopping these new tools?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
I happened into Target yesterday and they had these inflatable toys in the store. Now, we spotted these last year.
They were kind of an up-and-coming trend.
They were, and they are super fun in the pool. So these giant inflatables, ride-on toys basically for the pool that you can't go wrong with. When I stepped into Target, they had shelves and shelves and shelves full of them this year.
So new and trendy last year, mainstream this year.
Absolutely. There's 3 different displays at Target for them.
I haven't seen the ice cream cone. That's adorable.
Isn't that cute? Yeah, there's so many fun ones. So pick those up. I think those are still very fresh for this year, and you really can't go wrong. You'll use them again and again and again.
I've even seen mini matching coasters. So you've got the Swan inflatable, and then you've got the Swan coaster for your little Diet Coke to sit poolside. All right, grab one of those for sure. What is behind us?
So this is where I think inflatables are going for this year.
Okay.
So this is a sprinkler.
This is huge. It's a sprinkler?
It's a sprinkler. It's a blow-up sprinkler, and Jeff's going to turn on the water for us. This is just for a little lawn toy that is actually, I think,
oh my gosh,
photo opportunity waiting to happen.
Emmy needs this in
so
her life.
Cute.
This is adorable.
It's kind of tame, kind of gentle, but doesn't spray a lot of water. You could let this run for a while, and it can be a great companion piece to whatever else you've got out in the yard.
How did you blow it up? Not lung power here.
No, you need an air compressor or something to blow it up with, but that's pretty easy to come by. They have those blow-up camping blow-up machines for in the camping aisle.
Yes.
So that would be a good option.
I can see the kids getting hours and days and weeks of fun out of this.
Can't you see them like stretching this across the sidewalk or something and riding their little tricycles underneath or something?
Totally, scooters.
So this is definitely for the younger set.
Yes.
But I think it would be it's just darling. And it has set up and it just kind of stays up. It's awesome. It's from Pottery Barn.
And it's happy.
It's very happy.
As a mom of a 2-year-old, I'm going to add my stamp of approval to that. That would be so fun.
So we always look for a sprinkler, and I think this is a fun one, especially for the littles.
You call this, though, your favorite product find.
I'm super excited about this next
one. Of the season.
This is a mermaid tail that you wear.
It looks like a legit mermaid tail.
Can you see how that goes?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the fabric outside.
Okay.
And little girls wear these mermaid tails.
And little girls love mermaids.
We were totally turned on to this product when a friend of the show, Amy Daly, took mermaid tails to the lake last year.
Okay.
And you can't believe the pictures that they took, and they said they had so much fun. Even the guys were wearing the mermaid tails.
That's when you know it's cool.
Right. So can you see? Everybody just goes, I've got to try that. That is something I've got to try.
Well, because I've seen some like pretty sparkly ones that you just put on and kind of sit, and the girls think it's cute. But this looks like a legitimate swimming tool.
This is a working mermaid tail, and the story behind it is really interesting. It's from a family company up in Idaho Falls.
Oh.
So you can't even, it's amazing how they've developed this product. Okay, so what it is, it comes with this main, it's called the monofin.
Okay.
And you can feel how sturdy that is.
Yeah.
Okay, and then it comes with this shell.
Uh-huh.
This is your mermaid legs, right?
Yes.
So your monofin.
Hold on, do mermaids have legs?
Well, they have, yes.
These are your mermaid legs. It works.
Yeah, I guess they don't have land legs. So this goes inside here, if you don't mind me just showing you here. Oh, see those little pockets for your feet right there?
Oh my gosh.
Wait a second, I'm doing this backwards.
Am I helping or
I gotta
hindering?
go right
Sorry.
up the middle
Okay.
like that, and then bring the
Here it comes.
fins down. Can you snap those
Yes.
across? So that becomes this very sturdy flipper that really works in the water.
It's like a kickboard.
I know, it is like a kickboard, absolutely. So cute little mermaid girl has a swimsuit that matches with the bottoms, and then you sit down at the water's edge and you crumple this all the way down and you slip your little feet inside the
this is magic.
foot things.
Yes.
Then when you stand up,
Yes.
you pull your tail all the way up
And you're a mermaid.
and you're a mermaid.
Just like that.
And they really can swim in the water. Like, it's amazing how much fun they're having with these.
I want to know what the cute mermaid dads are wearing though on top.
Oh,
I guess mermen don't need to wear
mermen don't
anything.
need
They just get the
anything.
tail. This is so fun. All right, where do we get this?
This is great. This is a company called Fin Fun.
Okay.
And they're out of Idaho Falls, like I say, so we call them a local company.
Yes.
And online,
Love it.
finfun.com.
Love it.
Okay?
All right, Steph, what's
That's a great
next?
one. All right. Water balloons. You can never, every summer you need some water balloon fun.
Yes, you do.
So a couple of years ago, we spotted these bunch of balloons, right? And you've been seeing these in the store. This is where you take the full bunch of balloons and you
Right.
put it on the end of the hose,
Right.
and in a second, you've got 30 or 40 filled balloons.
I remember when you spotted these. It was the first time we'd ever seen them,
Right.
and now they are kind of mainstream.
Now they're mainstream and
Yeah.
everything. So this year, I think, is going to be the year of different water balloon launchers.
Okay.
So, we tried out several. We've got these handheld launchers, which are really fun. You want to give that a try?
I do. I was waiting
filled
for
up
the
a bunch
invitation.
of water
Okay.
balloons for you. Okay, I
Duck
have
and
it right
cover.
over here.
Where am I aiming? Oh, come on. Jeff's not over there. Fine. Fine.
There it goes.
Oh my gosh, that throws.
It throws.
That throws. That's fun.
Our kids were actually having so much fun with that, more than, it's super basic.
Yeah.
So it doesn't have to be be high tech. But
You know what? I remember a similar product. I think it was developed locally. Don't quote me, but it was for snowballs.
yes.
Right? So now it's just the water balloon version.
Well, I suppose it could be an all-weather.
Hey, Jeff, love you. Okay. Oh, he
There you
dodged
go.
my spray. All right.
Okay, so that handheld thrower we really liked.
Yes.
There's this option too, which is a slingshot version.
Stop.
So the guys will really get into that, I think.
Absolutely.
Another one that I have used over the years and my kids have really enjoyed is one like this. This is a 3-man water balloon launcher.
What?
It's a catapult.
Steph, we've got to, right?
Well, yes, Yes.
Can
So
we?
yeah, we put it in there, and then see this man over here pulls back the pocket.
We're missing a man.
Right?
I got it.
Watch out, guys. Here we
comes.
go.
Oh, well, we're
It
lame.
went kerplunk.
But if we had a third
Because
team
if we had
player.
a third person,
Yes.
see, it's kind of
I'm getting
too
attacked
heavy
by
for
a
that.
bee. Okay.
Give it a whirl.
Ready?
All right, there you
That's
go.
fun too. Okay.
So that's really fun, and the guys really can crank back on those,
Yeah.
and they go flying. So it's super exciting.
And I love these because it does promote that family fun where the dads are jumping in and grandma's jumping in, and it becomes a big activity.
Or if you had a youth activity or something where you really wanted to have a water game night, you can really crank out the water balloons and have lots of activity.
Yes.
In fact, another idea is this water balloon pumping station. Sometimes water in remote locations is hard to come by, so this is where you fill it up and take it along with you. But you fill it up with color. This pumping station will fill it up with colored water. And so, and the idea being to have a real water war, and
Like, are you adding the food coloring, or it's already in the
it comes
machine?
with color tablets.
Oh, okay.
And so you fill up your water balloons according to color, and then everyone wears white T-shirts, and then you can tell what happens after
Now
that.
that's a family-friendly
Yeah.
wet T-shirt contest, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah, so they could have fun with that. Maybe if you had a group activity or something like that. They come in
Okay.
different colors and whatever.
That is so much
So that's
fun.
a fun one too, okay?
Absolutely. And
Lots
that would
of
be
water balloon activity.
That would reinvent night games too.
Oh, for sure.
have a pumping station
Brilliant
like
idea. Okay, here's the next one. I'm calling the new kiddie water pool.
What is this?
Right? So this is like basically a water bed.
You're
water
bringing back the
blob.
80s.
In fact, we had a DIY water blob on the show last year,
I
or maybe it
remember
was the
that.
year before.
I think it was a couple years ago.
And now this is a commercial water blob. So
Yes.
and I think the little kids are going to have fun with this because it is super sensory. So when you touch this and it's wet, like it's like a water bed. And then you can turn on this little sprinkler action. So it keeps it wet. And
our camera guys are backing up.
camera
They
guys
already
have
had
to
their
back up.
shower today.
And you can even, it turns into a little bit of a water slide for them. You can see this particular version is called the art sketching water blob. And it comes with crayons to color on it.
Oh, you're kidding.
That wasn't exactly the option that we chose to use it for. The crayons were a little waxy, but they have lots of different water blobs, and I think the concept is awesome.
It is.
Again, maybe for a littler set where they don't have to have that kiddie pool that gets all grassy and everything inside.
Right.
But this water blob it's super fun, and I mean, nobody who walks by can resist touching it.
Absolutely.
So, and it's fun and it's slippery and
think of
and
all
a
the
lot of
littles in
fun.
the neighborhood just piled on, having a grand old time.
Yes, absolutely.
You've done it again. How do you do it year after year? This is so fun. And speaking of fun, you have a surprise you've been holding on to for
I
us.
do, because we're giving a big giveaway this week on Studio 5, and I think I'm going to throw in all these water toys along with our giveaway.
All of them.
All of them.
The Blob, the pumping station, the Mermaid Tail, the inflatables, they are adding to our prize package. Steph's so fun. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
We'll say first, look for purchase information for all of these on our website, studio5.ksl.com. And yes, you heard it. We are adding these water toys to our week-long giveaway, part of our week-long series. Kick